Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to another episode of Which Mop is the Top Mop? Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Bissell Steam Mop and the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. On the left, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, the mop that promises to sanitize your floors and your life. 99.9% of germs gone. And on the right, we have the Steam & Go 10-in-1, the Swiss Army knife of mops. Because who doesn't want to steam clean their curtains while also scrubbing the floor? So, buckle up, grab a snack, and let's mop the floor with these contenders. First up, let's talk money. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at $92, while the Steam & Go 10-in-1 is just a tad pricier at $99. Reviewers of the Bissell have noted its effectiveness and ease of use, making it worth the investment. On the other hand, the Steam & Go is praised for its versatility and value, but does come with a few concerns about replacement pads being hard to find. Overall, if you're looking to save some cash, the Bissell is the more affordable option. Next up, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: sanitization. The Bissell Steam Mop claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs, with reviewers raving about its ability to clean even the toughest grime off floors. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go is celebrated for its multi-surface cleaning capabilities, but doesn't specifically tout germ elimination. Reviewers have highlighted that while it does a good job on laminate and other surfaces, the Bissell seems to be the go-to for those focused on sanitization. Now let's get funky with functionality. The Bissell comes with a built-in easy scrubber, making it easier to tackle tough spots. Reviewers appreciate this feature, highlighting its effectiveness on grout. In contrast, the Steam & Go boasts a 10-in-1 feature, transforming into various cleaning tools. Users love the versatility and the ability to clean curtains and surfaces beyond just floors. While the Bissell is praised for its scrubbing power, the Steam & Go shines with its multifunctionality. Now, let's talk usability. The Bissell takes about 30 seconds to generate steam, which users find convenient. However, the Steam & Go impresses with its 20-foot power cord, allowing for greater maneuverability without the hassle of plugging and unplugging. Reviewers of the Bissell love its quick heating, while Steam & Go users appreciate the long reach, making cleaning more efficient without the struggle. If ease of use is your priority, the Steam & Go might have the edge here. In summary, the Bissell Steam Mop is highly regarded for its sanitizing power and affordability, making it a favorite among those looking for effective floor cleaning. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and multifunctionality, appealing to those who want an all-in-one cleaning solution. Both products have their strengths, depending on what you're looking for in a steam mop. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the mops, we've got a clear winner in some categories, while others are neck and neck. If you want to sanitize your floors and save a few bucks, the Bissell Steam Mop is your best bet. But if you want versatility and a long reach, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 could be your new best friend. At the end of the day, it's all about what works best for you. So which mop will you take home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart shopping tips from Buy Smart. Until next time, happy cleaning!